In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to add video transitions in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I still have my clip that I've been using for these lessons here. So what I'm going to do, I want to add a transition between these two clips here. This one, the fourth one, and the fifth one, okay? So how do I do this? So if I go in between these clips here, right, there's going to be a little section that pops up. So let me exit this. If I go in between here, just go in between, it'll pop up. There's two options: the option to add another page in between, or the option to add a transition. Go ahead and click the option to add a transition. So click on that right there. And as you can see here, we have transitions that pop up here on the left panel here. And you see that currently there is no transition selected because we have this none option selected. Now, if you look through these, you see that we have quite a few transitions here. If you hover over this, they'll show you a quick display of what they're going to look like. So look at that. Color wipe, line wipe. What else do we have? Match and move, flow, stack, chop. Okay, let's do flow here. I'm going to go ahead and select flow. And as you can see, this one comes with quite a few properties here. The first one is going to be the seconds, how long it takes the transition to happen, right? For now, this is the time, the maximum that you can go. So you can obviously lower this if you want to. And you also have the ability to change the direction of how this flow is happening. Right now it's going to the left side. I can change it to go to the right side. I can change it to go up. I can change it to go down, right? So these are going to come with different properties that you can change in order to kind of like really have that feeling of customizing this. So if I was going to select a line wipe here, you can see that we kind of like have the same properties here, right? You have the duration and you also have the direction. We have a stack here, same thing here. We have chop here. This one is a little different. We still have our duration, we have our direction, but also have the origin of the chop itself, right? So if I select this, the chop is going to be originate from here. If I do this, it's going to originate from the bottom, right? So kind of all of these have different properties that you can change. This one is in beta. I don't know what this is, but this is a match and move which animates identical elements smoothly between pages. Very interesting. We'll try this out once it's it's proven to actually work. Let me play this and see how this goes. Let's see. Yeah, I'll go back to my flow. I think this is more reliable. Now, once you have the transition that you like, you don't have to manually, select, go in between all these clips and add that same transition if that's what you were trying to do, and they have to do the same settings. You can simply click apply between all pages. Now, this is going to be applied to all pages within this project. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply between all pages. Click on that. As you can see that little transition effect here on here, okay, on between every page. Now you can click on any of these, right, to locate where they are. There you go. You kind of like see where it starts, where it starts, as well as where it ends over here. Okay, now you can obviously change the duration of these transition, obviously. So if you change the duration here, as you can see it being shown here that it's been made shorter. Okay, now that is how you are going to be able to add transitions between clips in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.